How to share LinkedIn profile link in PC. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share LinkedIn profile link in PC. In order to do so, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Google Chrome. Now once in the browser, in the address bar, here type in linkedin.com. This is the official URL of LinkedIn. Once you have entered this keyword in the search bar, press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now, within a while, you will be taken to the official website of LinkedIn. Once you reach to the official website of LinkedIn, here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Now in this homepage, here at the top, you'll be able to see different icons. At the right side, you'll be able to locate the Me icon. Simply click on it. And then here click on View Profile button. Once you click on View Profile, now you will be presented with your profile page. Here you'll be able to see your profile URL in the browser's address bar. You can simply highlight it and copy it using Ctrl+C key of your keyboard. You'll also be able to see this profile URL at the right side of the interface. From here you can also highlight and press on Ctrl+C in order to copy it. Further, you can also customize your URL by simply clicking on this pencil icon, and from here you will be able to customize and personalize your URL. Now once you have copied the URL, now you'll be able to paste the copied URL wherever needed, such as in an email, resume or message. You can simply open your inbox of your Gmail or Outlook and there paste the link in order to share. So by following these steps, you should be able to share LinkedIn profile link in PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.